Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview natural chemistry pool first aid. What is natural chemistry pool first aid? Natural chemistry pool first aid combines powerful SMARTZyme technology with an organic clarifier to fix pool problems quickly. It is non-toxic and non-irritating, clears cloudy pools and cleans up dead algae. Product benefits: Pool first aid frees clogged filters of oil and other forms of non-living organic buildup. Removes dead algae quickly and efficiently, in many cases without the need to backwash. Usage directions. Step 1. Broadcast pool first aid around the surface of the pool. Step 2. Also apply directly to the water line to quickly remove any existing water line buildup. Step 3. Do not use within 2 hours before or after shocking. Step 4. This product can be used every 2 days until the pool is crystal clear. If water temperature is below 70 degrees, pool first aid will work more slowly, so allow more time for results. Dosage: 2 fluid ounces per 1,000 gallons of water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.